If you're seeing a Blender Python error, the good news is that in most cases the fix is actually pretty simple. In this video, I'm going to show you a fast Blender Python error fix, why script errors happen, and how to get your add-ons or Python scripts working again without wasting time. This is especially useful if you followed an older tutorial, copied some code from the internet, or installed a script that suddenly stopped working after a Blender update. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and Blender tutorials. Let's get into it. First, the most important thing to check is whether your Blender version matches the script or add-on version. A lot of Blender Python errors happen because the BPY API changes over time, especially between major versions. So if you're using Blender 4.x and the script was made for an older release, there's a very good chance the code is no longer compatible. Before you change anything else, look at the Blender version you have installed and compare it with the version the script or add-on was designed for. If the script is outdated, the quickest solution is often to update the add-on or download a newer version of the script. Developers usually release updates when Blender changes its API, so this step alone can solve a lot of problems. Next, avoid outdated API code. If you're using code from an old tutorial, some function names, properties, or operators may no longer exist in the latest Blender version. Even if the script looks correct, one outdated line can trigger a Python error and stop the whole process. If you know what line is failing, check the official Blender documentation or the add-on's updated version to see what changed. In many cases, the fix is just replacing old code with the current BPY syntax. Now, if the script still isn't working, try resetting Blender if needed. Sometimes the problem isn't the script itself, but a corrupted preference, broken cache, or conflicting add-on inside Blender. A clean reset can help remove hidden issues and give you a fresh start. You can also test the script in a new Blender file or temporarily disable other add-ons to see whether something else is causing the conflict. That makes it much easier to isolate the real problem. Another important note is that most Blender Python errors come from version mismatch, especially when moving into Blender 4.x, where API changes are more common. So if an older tutorial suddenly fails, don't assume you did anything wrong. In many cases, the tutorial is simply outdated. The best approach is to verify compatibility first, then update the script, then check for outdated API calls, and finally reset Blender only if you still have issues. That process will save you a lot of time and frustration. So to recap, if you get a Blender Python error, start by checking the Blender version against the script version, update the add-on or script, avoid outdated API code, and reset Blender if necessary. That's the fastest way to solve most Blender script errors. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more quick fixes, and comment below if you want a follow-up on common Blender Python error messages and how to fix them step by step.